Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Yeah, on the BB Naija matter, Ozo and Nengi are beginning to get very close. And then yesterday, while they were discussing, Ozo revealed something to Nengi. He said, "You make me have an erection." Big Brother Naija housemate Ozo has admitted to having an erection in the house because of Nengi. Ozo had an embarrassing moment a few days ago when he got an erection. He however rushed to put his hand in his pocket and covered it up. On Friday, during an intimate conversation with Nengi in the garden, he told her he had an erection after he saw her change into a black outfit and could not help it. In his words, he said, "My mind was drifting the other day. I immediately the housemaid told me I had to put my hand in my pocket. It happened after I saw you change into that black outfit. The next thing, Junior was up and Praise told me to go inside immediately." Ozo and Nengi are beginning to get too close these days, and we can't wait to see where all this is leading to. What are your thoughts, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below.